let's turn our attention now to the state of Florida versus Courtney Clenney on page 2. Mr. Aguhoff and Ms. Hoag on behalf of the state, Ms. Puglisi and Mr. Prieto on behalf of Ms. Clenney. Are you waiving her appearance for today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. So what's our status? I know there've been several motions filed. I've got.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Defense, I think, can fill you in on some of the motions. I know they're not really complete. But the first two parts of Ms. Clenney's interview by the state's expert and completed, there needs to be one more. That second part was finished yesterday. I wasn't able to partake, but we sent people from the state files to be a part of that. We're still moving down that direction to sort of be ready for that August date.
Okay.
And, we're going to use another status.
Sure.
And Dr. Brandon knows that we're looking at third week of August. So I know that he's trying to get the next part done as soon as possible because he knows we'd have to depose him and they need to depose our experts. So we're still on track with that. We filed our response to the state's notice for Williams Rule, as you saw, so that can be scheduled. We also filed a motion based on, it's a motion in limine for if the state opens the door to good character. Yeah, to the arrest warrant that Mr. Albumselli has pending. And so out of Texas. And then I'm working on the motion for specific instances of conduct to be able to argue. That will be filed by next Tuesday at the latest. So what I would say is if we could, a status, yes, but could we also work to get maybe a response date on the motions by the state set and then put an actual date for the motions?
I think that sounds like a good plan. Back in July is causing my brain to not function properly. What about the week of the 20th?
So it really depends on, so we want to file a response to the battered spouse motion.
Yeah.
It just really depends. We need to complete these depositions. And so I think we're going to find out maybe today whether Dr. Brandon can get that last evaluation done for that.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if the depositions, both experts will be done.
Okay.
I just don't think the specific instances of conduct, I don't think, and it does, it's for battered spouse and self-defense, but it doesn't go, it's not going to go into Dr. Walker's testimony or anything like that. I don't think that her deposition or even his would be needed. I don't think the case law warrants that. What we could do is we could wait until it's filed on Tuesday and then the court could make that determination.
So perhaps we just kind of come back quickly next week and regroup a bit. Would that be helpful?
If maybe at the end of the week, either Thursday or Friday.
Okay, that works for everybody.
Mhm.
All right.
I'm out next week, Friday.
Okay, Thursday then?
7-9.
Yeah, that should work. It should be quick. We can
Yeah.
kind of figure out at least what road we're gonna go down next. Okay,
Okay, perfect.
7-9 for status. Great, great to see all of you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day.
Yeah.